Mix Vaseline with baking soda. This is the simple face remedy pharmacists do not want you to know. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into your bowl. Mix for 1 minute until smooth. Apply it to your face, leave 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Result: it helps remove dead skin, brighten the face, fade dark spots, and give your skin a natural glow. Blend spinach, apple, cucumber, and pineapple. Drink it daily, and you will get a curvy shape and a flatter stomach. Blend carrot, lemon, orange, turmeric, and ginger. Drink daily for 7 days. Result: less bloating, slimmer waist, and defined core. Blend carrot, ginger, and apple. Drink it every day for 7 days. Result: a flatter stomach and healthy digestion. When bald patches show, hair falls in handfuls, and you change your part to cover it, the problem feels deeper. Take 5 tablespoons of rosemary, 2 tablespoons of whole cloves, and half a cup of castor oil. Simmer gently, let it turn deep, then strain. Massage the mixture into your scalp twice every week. Result: it wakes quiet follicles, restores circulation, strengthens hair, and leaves your ponytail looking thicker within 3 weeks. Which one will you try first? Comment health and subscribe to Ask Mama Sanaa on YouTube for more wellness tips. Share this with your friends and family, and follow Ask Mama Sanaa on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.